tomorrow is New Year here in Korea, so I'm going to prepare tteokguk. It's called rice cake soup with dumpling. So I'll show you first the ingredients. I already fried an egg, so this would be the topping. Green onion, garlic. We have garlic chopped into small pieces, and dried laver. This is a sliced dried laver. And I already boiled the beef. I put salt and other seasoning to taste. So after this, I'm going to put the other ingredients like garlic and dumpling. Actually, I bought dumpling already made. So these are the dumpling. The red one, it's kimchi dumpling, so only kimchi inside. And this one, it's a meat dumpling, so pork and other vegetables. So I will not put all because it's too many. I'll put maybe half only. While waiting to boil, I already chopped the green onions, and I will chop the egg topping as well. So I already chopped the eggs as well. So just roll it and then chop it into small pieces. This will be the topping: egg and green onion. And also the chopped dried laver. So this is kind of salty because it has salt. So this will also help to make the soup tastier. So it's boiling now. I will put the dumpling. So pork, kimchi, pork, kimchi, pork, kimchi,
매일 아침 관우에게 가족의 건강과 평안을 기원한다는 아이의 엄마. 집에서 관우씨를 모시는 건 중국에서는 흔히 볼 수 있는 풍경. 삼국지의 수많은 영웅들 가운데 유일하게 신이 됐어.
So let's wait.
사람들에게 추앙을 받는 관우.
And then after, I will put the rice cake. Rice cake is very sticky and hard, so you have to put it in a bowl with water before you cook it. So now it's already boiling, so I will put the rice cake in the other pot. Okay, there you go. So I'm putting the rice cake. It was chopped into small pieces. So after you put all the rice cake, let it boil again. After, then we transfer to a small soup bowl, and then put the toppings. And then you have to put soy sauce to taste. Koreans do not put anchovy sauce. Mostly they put soy sauce to taste. Okay, let's wait for a while and I will taste it, so tomorrow I can serve it. So this is my finished product. I put egg on the top with green onion and dried laver. So I hope they will like it. Happy New Year! So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Annyeong, chingudeul!